COVID-19 dashboard from Johns Hopkins University is a familiar website to many of us. This page was originally created in January 2020, and by March, daily page views had rapidly increased from approximately 10 million to more than 50 million per day. The COVID dashboard has become an often quoted and highly regarded source for COVID information throughout the pandemic and provides an excellent example of data visualization and sharing enabled by the ArcGIS online platform. Dashboards provide a curated view of data resources. In this case, data associated with the coronavirus. This data is timely and dynamic. The platform enables a trusted source to share access to their authoritative information, either with the public at large, with a select group of colleagues, or in a private view. The Johns Hopkins example is a public dashboard featuring discrete elements, including lists, charts, texts, and maps that are dynamically linked to data sets which are updated on a regular basis. A developer selects which elements to include, connects them with source data, and formats how they appear on the dashboard page. The visualizations change to reflect new information as data sets are updated, and they show the current status of the COVID situation across the globe. List elements on the left and right provide a ranked accounting of reported cases by country, deaths and recoveries by state. A chart element visually tracks the daily case count, and moving the mouse over the chart shows the date and the actual count values. Text elements include the title, last update date and time, and a metadata panel that lists sources, along with hypertext links to facilitate deeper investigation. The map element presents these data in a spatial context and illustrates several important GIS concepts. Now, the main focus of the map is the cumulative case count, but developers have also provided a base map to give the viewer context. And so one of those GIS concepts is the idea of free navigation and scale-dependent display. Although the map begins at the global scale, users can choose their own area of interest by panning and zooming in to more closely examine an area of interest. You can click and drag to pan the map, and then you can pinch and zoom to move in closer. As the user zooms into the map, more and more detail is revealed by scale-dependent display. As we zoom into the United States, we can see state boundaries, lakes, and natural areas, along with county boundaries represented by polygons. Lines showing major roads and rivers and point city locations also provide context. Bookmarks, available here at the upper right, allow quick adjustment of the view extent to popular regions. Developers can provide multiple bookmarks to help users find important areas. Map features show the location and extent of objects of interest and can be represented as points, lines, or polygons. This map uses polygons to show geographic areas, and these are symbolized with these white lines. The main focus of this map is the cumulative case count, and that's indicated by red circles, and the size is associated with the count numbers associated with that particular area. Pop-ups can be configured for map layers and are activated when users click on individual features. In this case, these points represent the centroids of the counties, and a pop-up appears showing the county name, the number of cases, and the number of deaths associated with that particular county. These are simple pop-ups showing only selected attribute names and their values, but pop-up windows can be configured to also include charts, images, and links. Dashboards provide a very powerful tool for integrating data and maps into a concise private view. They also allow you to share that information with selected colleagues, your entire organization, or the general public.